Deactivate Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account, it's very simple. Open up the Instagram application and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface here. After that, just come to the profile page from the bottom right, then tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, and here you will see this option called Account Center. So just tap the Account Center button. From there, what you want to do is simply scroll here. You'll find Personal Details. Tap on Personal Details, and as you tap on Personal Details, go to Account Ownership and Control. From there, you'll find the option called Deactivation or Deletion. Select that option, and as you have done that, you can simply go ahead and then select your Instagram account. Then select the option called Deactivate Account. Then tap the Continue option, and your Instagram account will get successfully deactivated. That's all it takes to deactivate Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.